Hi. 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 Bye. Sorry, my grandpa is cuckoo. Okay, back to that song. You guys like it? What can I do to make you help me? What no good to me hurt? What do I say when it's all over, baby? And sorry seems to be the hardest word. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation. And getting more and more absurd. It's a sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over? Oh, it seems to me, sorry seems to be the hardest word. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that upper lip, little lady. I told you Dad's gonna hold you through the night. I know Mom's not here right now. I'm feeling fine. If it's so crazy, pretty baby, but I promise Mama gonna be alright. I see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh, I can see it in your eyes. Deep inside you want, cause you're scared. I ain't there, we're crying, wipe them tears. No more crying, wipe them tears. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad situation. Oh, it seems to me, sorry seems to be the hardest word. Sorry seems to be the hardest word. I hope you guys like that.